Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a really quick fun video very randomly. So I decided that I was going to be doing a hair tag, which is very new. I've never done a hair tag, so this is going to be a first. And I went around on YouTube and I looked up a few hair tags that I probably would be interested in, and I found the It's My Hair tag, and I really like this one, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. All right, so there's 20 questions and I'm going to go ahead and answer them, each and every single one of them, here in this video. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first question is, why did you start your journey? I got introduced to my natural hair journey because I had gotten all my hair off into a mohawk when I was in high school. And in between my cuts, like if I wasn't getting it relaxed, I would see my natural texture like peek out, and I was like, whoa, like I've never seen my natural hair texture ever. So I was kind of intrigued and I wanted to see more. I wanted to learn more about my hair and its natural state. One day I was like going for a cut and I was like, you know what, I'm not cutting anymore, I'm going natural, and it's been natural ever since. All right, so number 2, how long have you been on your hair journey? So this all started, I would say it was 2011, so that makes it 7 years now. Yeah, so it's been 7 years. 7 years. Are you natural, relaxed, or transitioning? I'm 100% natural. I haven't had a relaxer in 7 years. That sounds crazy. Like, I don't ever think, oh my God, I need a relaxer. Like, those days have been gone for so long, I don't even remember they sell relaxers in store. What is your length right now? I would say my hair is bra strap length. Regularly, I don't do length checks or anything like that, but last time I checked it, it was like bra strap length. What is your goal length? I honestly don't really have a goal length because I'm the type of person, I could possibly cut my hair tomorrow. I always think about it. I'm always like, you know what, I'm gonna cut my hair. But I haven't yet, so we'll see. What is your hair texture? Oh, good question. I honestly don't know. I never really pay attention to that. I used to, but when I really didn't figure it out, I was like, what is the whole point of this? Oh, my hair is this, my hair is that. I have natural hair, I don't know. I think if you were to really go into it, it's a 4C. I would say 4C, yeah. I haven't really looked into that. Health or length? Health, definitely. Definitely health. If you could only live with one hair product, what would it be? Whew. I would say shea butter. Raw shea butter. I cannot live without it. That's it. That would be the product that I cannot live without. Raw shea butter. And if I can add castor oil in there, we'll add castor oil. What's the worst product you've ever used? I don't like to be shady. I don't like to call people out, but Can't do. Are you a product junkie? I never have been. Like, I probably have like 5 products, if that, in my thing. I don't have an overload. I never really have, and if I do, it's because I do hair, not because it's for me. I'm not a product junkie. I used to be, I would say, and it wasn't even a product junkie because I always used one line. I always used Shea Moisture. That was like the only line that I swore by because I tried a few others and they just didn't work for me. So Shea Moisture was the one that I swore by, and lately I don't even think I've bought a bottle of that in about a year. I'm just using a lot of butters and oils, and that works for me. How often do you trim your hair?
Often.
How often do you use heat? Very rarely. To be honest, I did not own a flat iron or a blow dryer for about 2 years now because I was just like, I'm done blow drying, I'm done flat ironing. It actually happened by coincidence, but it actually worked out because I hadn't blow dried my hair in about 2 years up until maybe last week. So I very rarely use heat, and I flat ironed my hair a total of probably 3 times since I've been natural in the 7 years. It just never works out. My hair doesn't stay straight, so I find it like, what's the purpose? And if it is gonna stay straight, it's just so much heat that has to go with it, and I'm just like, it's just pointless Do you take hair supplements? No, but I do take vitamins if that adds to it. Who is your hair crush? Natural 65. Let me see, is that her name? I love her. Oh my god, I really like her. Her name is Natural 85. I love her. She cut her hair off and it's growing back so lovely and so healthy, and most of her products are natural. She shows you how to DIY products. I really like her, and I've been watching her for so long when she first started her natural journey, so she's definitely my natural hair crush. Love you, girl. If you ever by chance, run into my video. My favorite oil is castor oil, hands down. A lot of other oils really don't work for my hair. I would say almond oil too. I really like it. I like thicker oils like castor, olive, almond. They work better for my hair. Just thicker oils. How long does it take you on a wash day? For me, honestly, maybe an hour or two. I really don't do much. I would probably wash my hair in sections, condition, deep condition, and then I put my hair in big twists, and I'll literally keep it like that for a long time. A wash day does not take really long for me at all. I'm very minimal when it comes to my hair. I don't go into mad stuff. It just works better for me and my whole life that I got going on. Worst thing that has happened to your hair? I've had a lot of my hair break off that I wasn't even noticing, and I think it was because of certain products that I was using. My hair was just very dry, very brittle. It looked full, but to touch it was just very thin to me personally, and I knew that my hair was never like that. So over time it just got really thin, but it's getting back because like I said, I cut a lot of those products out and my hair has just been flourishing. I can't even fit it into this video. I used to color it a lot, bleach it a lot, so I do think that from those times it did suffer from some damage, but not too much, because even then I was still using a lot of natural products, so my hair was always kind of healthy. But I did realize that it was thinning out, especially around the edges where I would put a lot of the gels and the edge controls and things like that. Nowadays I barely even use that. I use some castor oil and I literally laid my hair down. A few times I remember when I used to use a blow dryer, I would now I would not do that. I would do it on a lower heat. But when I used to use a blow dryer, I would use the blow dryer, to stretch my hair. There's a few times where I was blow drying, I don't know, maybe the heat and the products that was in my hair. And there were times where, there were 3 times this happened to my hair, and in sections it's a little bit thinner. I would blow dry, and then once I'm done, I would just literally pull my hair off and it would just fall off. And that was traumatic, and that's why a part of the big reason why I stopped using heat as well. I realized too much heat and the mixture of the products is just not good. You can just smell it in the air, these chemicals, this heat. It's just, no, it's not doing good. Do you dye your hair? If so, what color? Like I think I talked about in this video, I used to dye my hair. I used to dye it tons of colors. I've had red, blonde, purple, a lot of colors. I don't remember any other ones. Maybe I didn't have a lot of colors, but to me it was a lot of colors because it was my natural hair. So, and then after a while I got tired of the color, and I would constantly dye my hair black because my hair is a natural brown, lighter brown color, and I've always just, if it's not a color, I just want it to be jet black. But over the past 2 years I haven't even dyed it black, and if I do dye it, I use Revlon color stay, maybe, I don't know, it's Revlon though. Who do you tag? I tag any other natural, relaxed vloggers that want to talk about their hair. Let's empower each other, just to love our hair, because our hair is all different. So yeah, invite whoever want to make a tag, girl. The questions are on Google. I'm probably going to make more videos like this. This was very quick. It's almost like you getting to know me a little bit, because I go into detail about what I do with my hair, and you kind of get to have a background on where I'm coming from with my natural journey, so that when I do go more into tutorials, then you guys kind of know, what I'm doing and what's my vibe. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for all the people that has been subscribing to my channel, and everyone that has been showing me so much love on the weight loss channel, on the weight loss video, serious weight loss questions. And I'm definitely, you know, so excited about that, because that was my whole intention on making the video, you know, to help anyone else that's going through the same thing that I was going through. You know, if you have any questions, if you need any support, then, you know, feel free to go ahead and inbox me. I'm definitely gonna be making another video on that. So stay tuned to my channel and be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and hit the thumbs up on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.